We're looking at the nation's first PowerParasol installed at a campground. And PowerParasol is a patented structure that is an elegant shade structure that also happens to develop a lot of energy, green energy. The two structures that we have here is just over an acre and includes 3,500 photovoltaic panels. It is generating about 1.75 million kilowatt hours a year. That's enough to power the campground plus, and when it's generating more energy than is being consumed by the campgrounds of America, the energy goes into the grid and is supplying Tucson Electric Power customers with green energy.
We always knew that solar would be a good idea for this particular park when we purchased it a couple of years ago. The utility costs are quite high here, and so we were looking at a standard solar array that would have taken up some of our valuable real estate and initiated it as a way to help offset some costs. But when the idea of the PowerParasol came up, where we could integrate that in line with our campsites, save the real estate, keep a camping environment, and add a sort of an architectural signature piece to the campground. It was a real win-win situation. And so at that point we knew we wanted to spend the extra amount of money to get something substantial and that would be used for both generating power and creating a camping experience for our guests. So that's
Our structure is 30 feet tall, and we observe the structure as humans from human height, about 5 feet tall. And so you're always looking up at an angle and you can see everything beyond that you could see before.
Well, I think this PowerParasol is truly amazing. The panels are 28 feet up in the air. There's gaps in it that allow the trees to continue to grow underneath. I mean, it's just really an incredible way to harness solar power. I spoke with some of the engineers this morning, and this is unique here for the PowerParasol to be at a campground, so we're pleased to be able to be here and witness it.
Yes, this summer I came out a couple times to watch the progression of the structure. Seeing how big it was, it's huge. It's worth seeing for one thing. And the light still filters through to the camp areas underneath. And the fruit trees are still producing fruit underneath it.